Good morning, my dear students. Hope all are fine and safe too. And we successfully finished the chapter 1, that is number system. Hope all are doing well. And if there is any doubt, please ask me, because I want to know whether you understood the concept or not. Okay. There's so many lengthy chapter, is it? So many different types of concepts are there. You have to go through each and every concept clearly, because there are application in your 10th standard. Clear? Yes. Now we'll move to the next chapter. Before I introducing the chapter's name, I will go through some examples. Okay. So you already know there are different shapes. Is it rectangle, square, then triangle, then what else? A circle. So different shapes we can see. Is it? Yes. Then we are moving through a triangular park. Is it? You already know what is the triangular park. What is the specialty of a triangle? Yes. It has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Okay. The sides may be same or different according to the triangle. Is it? Yes. So we want to move in a triangular form. We want to find how much space is occupied or how much area is needed for a triangular park. So we want to find that. Okay. So you already studied in the lower classes that if it is a right angle triangle, how will you calculate the area of the triangle? Yes, that is half PS. You already know. The area of the right angle triangle is equal to half PS. That is, you already studied in the 7th standard. Is it? Yes. Then, if it is an equilateral triangle, how will you find? Yes, if it is an equilateral triangle, how will you find the area? First, like this. If it is an equilateral triangle, that is all sides are equal, what you have to do is, first you have to draw the perpendicular. Clear? Draw the perpendicular. Suppose the sides may be 10 meter, here 10 meter, here also 10 meter. Okay. So this much length should be what? This is the midpoint, is it? So this will be 5 and this will be 5. Okay. So you want to find the area of this triangle. How will you find the area of this triangle? Yes. The area of the first triangle plus the area of the second triangle. Likewise, you have to calculate. Clear? Then add it. That gives the area of the equilateral triangle. Clear? Then, if it is an isosceles triangle, how will you find? What is the specialty of an isosceles triangle? Yes. 2 sides are equal. Suppose, like the triangle like this. Okay. 2 sides are equal. These 2 sides are equal. So that may be 5 meter, 5 meter. So this will be maybe different. That is 4 meter I will take. Okay. So how will you find the area of this isosceles triangle? Yes. First, you have to draw the perpendicular. Okay. So this is an isosceles triangle. So both sides will be equal. Okay, so this is what? 2 meter. This will be 2 meter. Okay, the same way, that is, first you have to find the height. How will you find the height? By which property? Yes, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, you have to find the height and then find its area. That you already studied in the lower class, not here. Yes, suppose. Another situation I will give. Okay. Suppose if the 3 sides are different. So what is the type of the triangle? Yes, that is scale and triangle. Scale and triangle. That is all are different sides, not equal. So how will you find the area of this triangle? Name this as ABC. How will you find the area of this triangle? That is discussed here. Okay, so that means here we have given all the 3 sides. That maybe this will be 5 centimeter and this will be 6 centimeter and this will be 7 centimeter. Okay, so 3 different sides are given. So you want to find the area of this triangle. This whole chapter dealing with this concept only. That is only one formula that you have to be studied in this chapter. Okay, only one formula. The scoring chapter. So don't leave this chapter, okay? Because you got 4 or 5 marks from this chapter. Clear? So, what we have to do? That is, you have to find the area of this triangle. We can't draw the perpendicular because if you draw in the perpendicular here, this side, and suppose this is D. Okay, BD is equal to DC? No. So we can't find this length. Okay, so for that purpose, we are introducing another formula for finding the area of this type of triangle. That means all the 3 sides are given. Okay, that is introduced by the scientist Heron. What is that? Heron. Okay, that scientist introduced the area of this triangle, or area of the sides of 3 triangle. Area of the triangle having 3 sides. Hope you understood. So, we will move to the formula, that is Heron's formula. The chapter is chapter 12. I directly move to the chapter 12 because that is an easy chapter. So, you can understood easily. Okay. So, other chapters are a little bit lengthy. Okay. So, after completing the Heron's formula, we will move to the next chapter. Okay. So, that is the chapter 12, Heron's formula. So, please take your notebook and put today's date and write down the chapter heading, chapter 12, Heron's formula. Yes. So, please don't write anything now. So, please listen here. Okay. So, this is a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Okay. And given that its sides are, this side will be small letter A denoted by the small letter A. This side is small letter B. And this side is denoted by the small letter C. The Heron's formula, or how will you find the area of this triangle? So, area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What is the formula? Area of the triangle is equal to, along with me please say, area of the triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, where A, B and C are what? A, B and C are what? Yes, the sides of the triangle. A, B and C are the sides of the triangle, and one more letter is not in here. What is that? Yes. What is the S is the semi-perimeter. S is the semi-perimeter or half of the perimeter. Okay, that is S is the semi-perimeter or half of the perimeter. So, can you say what is the perimeter of this triangle? How will you find the perimeter of a triangle? Yes, adding all the sides. So, what is the perimeter here? Here sides are A, B and C. So, adding the sides means what? A plus B plus C. Is it? A plus B plus C. And half of the perimeter, what is that? Divided by 2. That will be yes. So, you have to by heart only these 2 things. Okay. So, the area of the triangle, if 3 sides A, B and C are given is what? Root of, along with me please say, root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to what? A plus B plus C by 2. A plus B plus C by 2. Hope you understood this, where A, B and C are the sides of the triangle. And yes, don't forget to write S, because yes, if you don't know how to calculate S, then you can't apply here. And also one more thing, some students are putting S in the outside the root node. Root of or must be inside, that is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, hope you clear these my things. So please take your notebook and write down what I wrote on the board. So please write down Heron's formula. Draw this triangle ABC, and mark the sides A, B and C. Then write down area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where A, B, C are sides of the triangle. S is the small letter S. Okay, S is the semi-perimeter or half of the perimeter. That is, S is equal to what? A plus B plus C by 2, whole by 2. Adding all the sides by 2. Hope you clear up to this. So, we will move to the first question. So, write down the first question. Yes, first question. Find the area of the triangle whose sides are 8 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm. So, what you have to do is, first you have to write what is A. A is equal to what? The first side, that is 8 cm. Okay. Then what is B? B is equal to what? Next side, that is 5 cm. Okay. Then C is equal to what? Next centimeter, that is next side, that is 5 cm. Okay. Then you have to write S. What is S is equal to what? Adding all the sides. So first you write the formula, that is A plus B plus C by 2. So that is equal to A is what? 8. 8 plus 5 plus 5 by 2. That is 8 plus 5 plus 5 is what? 18 by 2. That is equal to 9 centimeter. Up to this you have to write. Okay. Then you want to find what? Area of the triangle. So formula you have to write. Area of triangle is equal to, what is the formula? Root of S. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. So that is equal to root of S is what? 9. So you have to substitute here. 9 into S minus A. S is what? 9. Is it? So 9 minus A is what? 8. 9 minus 8 into, then S is what? 9. 9 minus B is what? 5 into 9 minus C is what again? 5. Okay. So that is equal to root of 9 into 9 minus 8 is what? 1 into 9 minus 5 is what? 4 into 9 minus 5 is what? 4. Okay. So listen here please. Here 9 has, root 9 is what? Yes, 3. Root 4 is what? 2. Again root 4 is what? 2. So you can directly write as 3 into 2 into 2. What is that? 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. Area is unit is centimeter square. 12 centimeter square. Okay. So listen here please. Here root of A into B, you already studied in the first step. Is it? Root AB is equal to what? Root A into root B. So root of 9 into 1. 9 into 1 is 9. So 9 into 4 into 4 is equal to what? Root 9 into root 4 into root 4. Root 9 is what? 3. Root 4 is what? 2. Root 4 is what? 2. Sometimes this will not be perfect square. So for that purpose you have to factor. I will do the one problem based on that. So you have to be clear that. Okay. So please write down, do it individually. A second question, find the area of the triangle whose sides are 24 meter, 32 meter and 40 meter. Okay, along with me, please write down. Okay, so what is A here? Yes, 24 meter. So please write down. A is equal to 24. B is equal to what? 32. C is equal to what? 40. So please write down that. A is equal to 24. B is equal to 32. C is equal to 40. Then what is S? S is equal to what? Adding all the sides. Is it 24 plus 32 plus 40. So please add 24 plus 32 plus 40. What is the answer? Yes, 96. 96 by 2. What is 96 by 2? That is 48. You have to write the step. I will skip that step. So please you have to write there. Okay. So S is equal to 48. Then write down area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to area of the triangle. So please write down the formula. What is the formula? Area of the triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus A. So please, up to the first section, that is the first video, you have to say the formulas loudly. Otherwise, that will not be kept in your mind. Okay, so please you have to say the formula. What is that? Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, so that is equal to what is S? S is what? 48. So 48 into S minus A, that is 48 minus 24, that is 24 into 48 minus 32, what is that? 8 into 48 minus 32 is what? 16. Then 48 minus 8 is equal to 48 minus 40 is equal to what? 80. So you got as root of 48 into 24 into 16 into 8. So here you can't find, is it 48 not a perfect square, 24 not a perfect square, but 16 is a perfect square and 8 is not a perfect square. So what you have to do is, you have to factorize the terms. Okay. Factorize the terms means prime factorization. Okay. 48, that is like this, 48 by 2, it is 24, then again by 2, that is 12, then by 2, that is 6, by 2, that is 3, then again by 3, 1. Likewise you have to do. Okay, so I write that here. So 48 is 48 can be written as 2 into how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, then into 3. Okay, 24 here itself we can write 1, 2, 3, 12. Is it 1, 2, 3, 2, then 3. Okay, so up to 24 we write, is it? Then 16 you can directly write 16. What is that? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then into the remaining portion 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So you have to write in one step, okay, because it is not space here, so that's why I am writing here. So you have to write fully on the one square root. Okay, then you have to, what you have to do is you have to pair. That is, you studied in the squares and square roots 8th standard, is it? So what is one pair, two pair, then next one. So from the pair you have to take one outside. In this step you don't want to put the square root. Why? Because you are taking the square root. Okay. So 2 pair in this, you got 2 into, next pair 2 into, then here 3 is there, here 3 is there. So you can pair, then into this 1, 2, then into here 1, 2, here 1, 2. So you can pair that. Then this one pair, this one and this one pair, then this one pair. So into 2. Okay. Then you have to multiply all those. That is 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3 12. 12 into 2 24. 24 into 2 48. 48 into 2 that is 96. 96 into 2 that is, what is that? 96 into 2. Likewise you have to calculate. Okay, so please calculate this. Yes, you got the answer as 384. Unit is what? Meter. So meter square. 384 meter square. 384 meter square. Yes. So please do by yourself. Yes, next question is, find the area of the triangle, two sides of which are 8 cm and 11 cm and perimeter is given as 32. Okay, so listen here please. So you have the triangle. Okay, two sides is given as what? One is 8 cm and the another one is 11 cm, and we don't know the third side. But one hint is given. What is that? Perimeter is equal to 32. Is it? Perimeter is what? adding all the sides. Is it? So this side plus this side plus this side gives 32. And these two together got as 90 centimeter. Is it? So total is 32. So 32 minus 19 gives the third side. Is it? Once again listen here. Two sides are, one side is 8 centimeter given. Another side is 11 centimeter also given. So you want to find the third side. Okay, so for that purpose one hint is given, that is perimeter is 32. Perimeter means what? Adding all the sides. So this side plus this side plus this side gives 32. Okay, so you want to find this side. So that is total minus sum of these two sides. That is 32 minus 19. That gives us 13. So the third side is what? 13 centimeter. So whenever the question comes from this type, you have to draw the rough figure. Otherwise, you didn't calculate. Understand what is A, what is B, what is S, what is P, what is then third side C. So likewise, you have to think. Okay, so you have to first draw the rough figure triangle there on the side of your notebook and then write 11 centimeter, 8 centimeter. So how will you find the third side? So is there any additional information given in the question? Yes, that is perimeter. So what is the perimeter given there? What is the meaning of perimeter? That is adding all the sides. So already two sides are given. So how will you find the third side? The perimeter minus sum of the other two sides. Okay, so likewise we have to find the third side. Then I think you can easily find the area of the triangle, is it? So please draw the figure first. Triangle 11, 8 and 13. And side you have to write, how will you got 13? 13. How will you got 13? So write down 32 minus 90. All as you understood. Okay, so please write down on the side itself. Clear? Yes, I'll move. So please write down what is A. A is equal to 8 centimeter. Write down. A is equal to 8 centimeter. B is equal to 11 centimeter. And C is equal to what? 13 centimeter. You got now. Is it? So please write down that. A is equal to 8, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 13. S is equal to adding all those. All that S is equal to what? Semi-perimeter. Is it? That is perimeter by 2. Perimeter is given in the question as what? Perimeter is given in the question. Perimeter is given in the question as 32. Is it? So 32 by 2 you can write. 32 by 2. This adding you got as 32. Or directly you can write perimeter by 2. 32 by 2, that is 16. Then area. So area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to, what is that? Root of formula. S into L. Every equation or every question you have to write the formula. Okay. S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is equal to, what is here? 16 into S minus A. 16 minus 8, that is 8. Into S minus B, 16 minus 11, that is 5, into S minus C, 16 minus 13, that is 3. That is equal to root 16. You already know what is that. Root 16, 4. You can directly write, no problem. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, then 5 like this, 3 like this. That is 4 into, here you can write the pair, 4 into 2. So what is remaining? 2 into 5 into 3. The remaining numbers should be kept inside the square root itself. That is, if the numbers have no pairs, you have to write on the square root, inside the square root itself. Okay, that is equal. What is 4 into 8? Then 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 3 is 30. So 8 root 30. What is the unit? Centimeter or meter? Centimeter square. Unit also you have to mention. 8 root 30 centimeter square. If the value of the root 30 is given in the question, you can apply. Otherwise, this much is enough. Okay, so please write down. Yes, next question is find the area of the triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and the perimeter is 42. So what you have to draw? You have to draw a triangle first. Measurement on it, just write down. Okay. Then one is 18 centimeter, another is 10 centimeter. So you have to find the third side. So what is given? Perimeter. Perimeter is what? 42. So adding all the two sides and subtract from 42. Okay. So what is the answer? What is the third side? Please add and find out the third side. What is the third side? Adding is 28. So 42 minus 28 is 14. Okay. I will not write on the board. You have to do by yourself. Only the measurements I will not here. Okay. So what is A? A is equal to 18 centimeter. B is equal to what? 10 centimeter. And C is equal to what? 14 centimeter. And S is equal to what? Perimeter is 42, is it? So 42 by 2, that is equal to 21 centimeter. This much you have to write. Then write down area of triangle is equal to formula. Please write down area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is equal to S. Write down root of S is what? 42. Okay, so root of S is 21 into 21 minus 18. What is 21 minus 18? Please say what is 21 minus 18? Yes, 3 into 21 minus 10. That is 11 into 21 minus 14. What is that? 7. Okay, so that is equal to 21 can be written as root of 3 into 7, then into 3 into 11. That is also prime number, so no need to factorize. Okay, so 1 3 is common, so 3 into 7 1 7 is common, then balance is root 11. So answer is what? 21 root 11. So write down 3 into 7 is what? 21. 21 root 11 unit is centimeter square. 21 root 11 centimeter square. Yes, next question. The sides of a triangular field are in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. Here the sides are not directly given, but one hint is given. What is that? Are in the ratio what? 3:5:7. Is it? So 3:5:7. So how can we represent A? A is equal to 3. Ratio we can convert into numbers, that is 3 into x we can write. Okay. Then B is equal to what? B is equal to 5x. C is equal to what? 7x. Okay. So these are the sides. 3x, 5x, 7x. And then how will you find x? Then only we can move, is it? So how will you find x? Yes, that another hint is that what? Perimeter is 300 meter. That is perimeter means what? Adding A plus B plus C, is it? That is 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equal to what given in the question as 300. Okay. 3x plus 5x plus 7x. What is that? 15x is equal to 300. So x will be equal to what? 20. That is 300 by 15. That is 20. This is x only. Okay. So you want to find the actual number that is representing all the actual sides representing A, B and C. So A will be equal to what? 3 into 20. That is 60. And B will be equal to what? 5 into 20. That is 100. And C will be equal to what? 7 into 20. That is 140. So you got now A is equal to 60, B is equal to 100 and C is equal to 140. Okay. So S is what? S is already given in the question as 300. So what is S by, P is given as 300. So what is S? Yes, 300 by 2. Okay. So please write down this much. A is equal to, B is equal to, C is equal to, and up to C you can write. Then S is equal to what? S is equal to 300 by 2. That is equal to 150. Okay. After that, please find the area. Area of the triangle is equal to. Area of the triangle is. I will not write on the board. You have to do by yourself. Okay. Write down area of the triangle is equal to formula. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Then substitute, that is S is what? Root of 150 into S minus A, that is 150 minus 60. What is that? 90 upper root of, that is root of 150 into 90 into 50 into 10. So please write down. Okay, listen here please. So this is equal to, you have to factorize, is it? So 150 can be written as 50 into 10. Is it? 15 into 10. Yes. 90 can be written as 9 into 10. Okay. Then 50 can be again written as 5 into 10. Then 10 you can write as 10. Clear? So that is equal to, then 15 can be written as, how can we write 15? 3 into 5. Then 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Okay. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Then 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Again 5 is here. Then this is 100, is it? So I will write it as 100 because you can directly take it outside, is it? Yes. Okay. So that is equal to 3, 3. I will take 3. Then into 5, 5. I will take 5. Then 2, 2. I will take 2. Then, yes, here 5. Into 5. Into 100. You can take 100. What is the square root of 100? 10. You can directly return. That's why I will not separate this. Okay, I'll factorize that. You can factorize no problem, but if it is a multiple of this 10, you can easily do. Is it? Root of 100 is what? 10. Root of 10,000 is what? 100. You can directly write that. Then what is left remaining here? That is 1, 3. Only 1, 3. Is it? So that is equal to. So multiply this 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 10. What is the answer? 1500. Root 3. Then unit is centimeter or meter? Centimeter or meter? So please mention the unit also. Meter square. I think that is meter square. So please write down. Similar type, one more problem I'll give. The perimeter of a triangular field is 450 meter and its sides are in the ratio 13:12:5. Find the area of the triangle. Okay. So what you have to do first is, first you have to write A is it? That is A is equal to 13x. B is equal to 12x. C is equal to 5x. Then adding all those sides you got as 450. That is 13x plus 12x plus 5x is equal to 450. That is here 30. 30x is equal to 450. So x will be equal to 450 by 3. That is equal to, 450 by 30. That is equal to 15. Okay. Yes. So you got as x. You want to find A, B and C, is it? So A will be equal to what? 13 into 15. You have to calculate. What is 13 into 15? 13 into 15 is what? 195 meter. Then B is equal to what? B is equal to 12 into 15. 12 into 15, that is 180 meter. And C is equal to what? 15 into 5, that is equal to 75 meter. Then one more condition we need. What is that? Yes. That is S is equal to 450 by 2, that is equal to 225. S is equal to 225 meter. Okay. So please find out the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So substituting the values, finally you got the answer as 6,750 meters square. So please check whether you got this answer 6750 meter square. Okay. So please verify whether you got this answer or not. Okay, we move to the next question. The question is, an isosceles triangle has perimeter 32 cm and equal sides is 12 cm. Find the area of the triangle. Okay. So only perimeter given, equal sides are given. That's all. So what you have to do is you have to draw a triangle. First triangle. Okay. So isosceles triangle. What is the specialty of isosceles triangle? Yes, two sides are equal. And the question given, equal sides is 12 cm. So two sides are equal, is it? So mark that as 12 cm. Here also mark as 12 cm. Okay. Then addition given. What is that? Perimeter 32. So what will be the third side? Yes, 32 minus sum of the other two sides. That is 32 minus 24. So what is 32 minus 24? Yes, 8. So what is your that? This side will be 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. So A is equal to what? 12. B is equal to what? 12. And C is equal to 8. So if there are no problem is there whether we take A as 8, no problem. You can, anyway you can take. That is, either you can take this as A, or this as A. Anyway, you can write. No problem at all. Okay. So please write down A is equal to 8 centimeter. B is equal to 12 centimeter. C is equal to 12 centimeter. S is equal to perimeter 32. 32 by 2, that is 16 centimeter. Okay. Then please find the area. Area of the triangle is equal to formula root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So that is equal to root of 16 into 16 minus 8 is 8. 16 into 8 into 4 into 4. Alright. Okay. So please write down. And you got the answer. Final answer you got as answer 32 root 2 centimeter. Centimeter square. 32 root 2 centimeter square. So please verify whether you got this answer. 32 root 2 centimeter square. Okay. One more question I will give you this type. So please write down the next question. Okay, next question is the unequal side of an isosceles triangle. So first is isosceles triangle. So you have to draw an isosceles triangle. And unequal. Unequal means what? Not equal, is it? So these two, if assuming these two are equal, so what is the unequal side? This side. That is given as what? 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Okay, and one more condition is given, that is perimeter 24. Okay, the perimeter 24 means adding all the three sides you got as 24. And one side is given, that is 6. That is 24 minus 6. What is 24 minus 6? That is 18. That is sum of the other two sides is what? 18. Both are equal, is it? So each will be what? Sum is 18 and each side will be same. That is 9 plus 9, is it? So here it becomes 9 centimeter. Here it becomes 9 centimeter. Once again listen here please. Unequal side, that this side is given as 6 centimeter. Okay. And perimeter is 24. Perimeter is what? Adding all the sides. Is it? That is A plus B plus C is equal to given as 24. A is what? Already 6. 6 plus B plus C is equal to 24. That is B plus C is equal to what? 24 minus 6, that is 80. And B and C are equal, is it? Both are equal. So each will be equal to what? 9 plus 9 is 18, is it? So B will be equal to what? 9. And C also will be equal to 9. Because B and C are equal. Otherwise you can't write. Okay. If B and C are equal, then we can write as B is equal to 9 and C is equal to 9. And A is given as 6 centimeters. So please try to do A is equal to 6, B is equal to 9, C is equal to 9. This much step knowledge, just write down, draw the figure and write down. That is enough. Okay. So A is equal to 6, B is equal to 9, C is equal to 9. Then please find S is equal to 24 by 2, that is 12. and answer area is equal to, you got the answer as 18 root 2 centimeter square. Please verify whether you got the answer as 18 root 2 centimeter square. 18 root 2 centimeter square. Hope you understood these math questions. The remaining portions will I put in the next video. So please take your textbook also with you, because 2 questions are lengthy. So you have to write on with using your textbook. Okay. So I will not write on that questions on the board. So please take your textbook with you. Okay. See you in the next video.